Hello, I'm in a Nodpod. Yep, you heard that right, a Nodpod. I love that name. It's the newest accommodation near to Bristol Airport. It's just kind of by the entry roundabout to the Bristol Airport, just on the A38. And it's so cosy in here. Let me show you around and I'll tell you a little bit about it. So as you gathered probably, this is like a shipping container size and it's so dinky, much dinkier than I imagined actually, but it has everything you could possibly want. It's so well equipped. I keep finding more things like this hairdryer on top of the shelf over there. It's amazing. I really like it. I'll tell you how much I paid for it a little bit later on. Obviously there's nowhere to eat here, but just across the road is the pub, the Airport Tavern. I did think about going over there for a drink this evening, but I'm just too cosy in here, so I'm not going out. Can you hear the aeroplane flying over? Yeah, you can hear airplanes, but there's earplugs here, so that's fine. I'm not going to use them because I quite like the sound of aeroplanes going over, and you've got the sound of the A38 as well going past, so just be aware of that if you struggle with noise. Can hear a car going past there now as well, but yeah, there are earplugs provided. Where was I? Yeah, the pub. There is a pub across the road. There's also places at the airport where you can buy food, and that's what I did. I bought some porridge for the morning, so I just have to boil the kettle and add hot water to the porridge. Do you know what something I didn't do was bring a spoon? I did consider packing a spoon, but I've only got very small luggage because I'm going on a day trip in the morning and just had the tiniest amount of room in my luggage. Anyway, there's only sticks here as stirrers, there's no spoons. So I had some tabbouleh salad and made a bit of a mess with it actually over the floor because I had to drink it from a cup. So yeah, just be aware, bring a spoon. I ate my yoghurt using the Biscoff biscuits that were provided here. They made good spoons, but I don't think they would have been too good with the tabbouleh salad. Anyway, yeah, there's lovely drinks provided. You've got like chamomile tea and hot chocolate, ordinary tea, and there's coffee bags as well. A really nice choice actually. I was well pleased. Meant to say this just now actually, the Wi-Fi is great. It's free Wi-Fi and the speed seems perfectly adequate. Well, I've got a very early morning flight in the morning. My flight leaves at 6:30, so I'm going to be leaving here about, I don't know, just gone 4 probably. So yeah, gonna get 40 rings now, and I'll let you know how I slept, and I'll tell you afterwards how much I paid for this and where I booked it as well. So I'm just lying here. It's very black. This flash is lighting it up. It's very dark in here. But I'm just listening to the traffic going past now. That's not bothering me at all. It's very cosy and warm. One thing I forgot to say when I arrived is there's a really nice smell of linen, fresh, clean linen when you enter the pod. Just thought I'd mention that because I can still smell it now as I'm still trying to go off to sleep. Good morning. It's 4:20 in the morning, and yeah, just having a coffee and drinking some porridge and heading over to my flight. Check-in opens at, well, security opens at 5 o'clock for my flight, so yeah, going to wander over there in a bit. I slept a little bit during the night. I think I was just too excited to sleep very much, so I probably just had a couple of hours sleep, but it was so comfortable, very, very comfortable. So I told you how much I would pay, or how much I paid for this even. I booked it on booking.com and I paid just over £87 for one person. I think it was 97 for two people. And yeah, looking at nearby hotels, they were well over £100 for a night. So this is cheaper than the hotel option if you were to want to come and stay here at Bristol Airport. Normally I catch the bus up from Wellington like I did yesterday. I caught that during the afternoon, but normally I would have caught the I think it's like the 2:45 bus in the morning to get me here in time for an early flight. But this was just a little bit luxurious today, staying overnight. Would I do it again? I think if I had an early flight I would. It does add quite a lot of money onto the day trip that I'm doing. My day trip to Malaga, that's where I'm going, was only £40 something return. So this is like £87 on top of that, but it was nice, and it stops you worrying, will the bus get there on time and things like that. So yeah, it was a nice start to the day out. So yeah, that's that. I'm going to show you the route to the airport as well, to the airport, from the airport to here as well. I'll just tag that onto the end of here. I filmed it yesterday when I was walking across. It's literally just a 5-minute walk from the airport terminal. Hope you've enjoyed watching this video and that it helped you if you're trying to make a decision whether to stay here at the Nodpod or not. Thanks for watching. I'll just show you that little bit, the walk from the airport now. Bye.